Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, animate, collage, etc. You're gonna have to scroll down, then under spotlight, you're gonna see options like Hunkify, AI stickers, GIF me, mock shots, then finally face switch. Tap on face switch, then select start. Once you do that, a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and select photo from there. Now select the photo that you want to face swap, then select another photo that you want to swap it into. Once you do that, Photoleap will automatically swap your face. And guys, that's it. That's how you swap faces in Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.